not just the web developers that need to host their website. I'm Ramy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to host your websites on Firebase hosting platform. If you are a Flutter developer in this video or mobile developer, you are asking, why should I learn to host a website? Let's say that you have an app in the market and you want to make landing page to your app to allow everyone to view your app, even download your app. You absolutely going to need an app page or website for your app that includes your privacy, your information about the app, and a lot of all. Let's go. We are covering how to host a website like this. This is a free template, HTML template. You can get it from this awesome website, HTML templates. I will put the link in the description. There is a lot of free websites that you can get. And for this design or this website is very simple and static. Of course, Firebase, you can just host only static websites. Okay, this is a very awesome and simple website for each most of your apps that you can publish on the store. And I will put the link of this code in the description. Of course, this is the code, and you can open it in VS Code and run it, and everything should be okay. So let's go to the hosting on the Firebase very quickly. Go to Google and write Firebase hosting and press the first link, and then you're going to the documentation. Everything you need is here. After that, you go to console, and in the console we're going to create new project, and let's say a new app page, and next, and I'm not going to enable this feature for now. Create project. Now your project is ready. Press continue, and we're going to the dashboard of the project. Let's be quick. Go to build, hosting, and get started. For the first time, you have to install npm. Go to Google and search for Node.js download and install the Node download in your Mac or on your Windows. This is very critical and important step. So let's go copy this command and open terminal. You can make it bigger by pressing command and plus, and just wait. Now it's giving me this error because I have a permission issue in this Mac, but you can solve this by doing sudo and OK and enter the Mac password, and it's going to be okay. Now this line is successful, and then we have to log into Firebase. If you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you for a login to the Firebase, but I'm already logged in. Now you have successfully logged in. Okay, let's initiate the Firebase. This is very critical step, and you have to do this in your project, as you see here in your project, not in any terminal. So I'm going to open this and press terminal, new terminal, and Firebase initiation or init. Here we're going to ask you what you are going to want to do. This is it. This is what this video all about, how to host a website. Press space and enter. Now he is asking us, is there is a new project or use existing one. I'm going to show you to use existing one and search for this project that we created now, new app page. Okay, and he asking you what directory. This folder you're going to include all your project files, and this is very critical. No one is going to show you what to do about this, but you can now press OK and edit later if you have any issues. What this line will do is we're going to create a new folder called public or anything and put new files or HTML files that should be the website. Press OK, and of course configure as a single page. Let's say yes. Set up automatic build and deployment for GitHub. I like this very much, but I'm not going to waste our time in this video. Let's talk it about later. If you need this, you will find a video in the lots of this video. Okay, press no, and that's it. We done the initialization. As you see here, we created two files, firebase.json, and as you see, this is public. Change this to this symbol. This means that you are hosting the root folder, which include the index here. Okay, sorry, I'm so sorry. It should be the path of this index, which is this. Let's copy path and press it here. Okay, now we are hosting this folder with this file. Let's do another command, which is deploy, Firebase deploy. Okay, and it's going to take some time depend on your file's size, and continue to console and go to hosting. Everything should be appears here, and this is the link of your new website. Not fine because we didn't deploy it yet. It says directory for hosting and not exist. Okay, let's change the path to this gradient BG, and now it's successfully uploading your website. This is very critical to do this. Now, if we refresh here, you got your website online. You have your first website online for everyone with this URL. There's a bonus for everyone watching the video till this moment. I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain if you have a domain. Let's go to your domain service page and go to domain list and search for advanced DNS or DNS from domain list if you're using GoDaddy. Anything like this page, which include a record, C record, and more. This is my DNS records for my websites and custom domain or subdomains. I'm not going to link a domain, I'm just linking subdomain. Let's say kuruapp1.ifeps.net. This is my domain. Let's continue. He is telling you that you have to add this record or this CNAME in your DNS provider or domain provider. I'm going to just copy this Kuru1 and this. Go here and add new record, which is of course CNAME record, and here let's paste this, and here let's paste this and make it just 1 minute, and okay. Here you just need to wait. I'm going to verify right now. It can take 24 hours, but it can take less. After this, you can get a message here that says everything okay, and then you can wait for the SSL. This is what Firebase will do, and I'm going to show you another project here. This is my portfolio. It should show you connected as it here. Okay, that's it for this video. This was how to host your website on Firebase, the best platform to host static websites on the market. By the way, if you don't like Firebase and need completely free alternative for Firebase, just use tiny.host. This was the bonus of this video. Please like and subscribe.